Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Capital and financial account balances are shifting, and we need to find the impact on the nation. Let's solve this macroeconomics problem together right now. A decrease in the capital and financial account balance means that less foreign financial capital is flowing into the country. This shift directly impacts the availability of money for domestic lending. In the loanable funds market, this reduction in capital inflow represents a decrease in the supply of funds. When supply drops, the equilibrium price of borrowing money must naturally start rising. A reduction in this inflow forces the real interest rates to climb higher. This makes option C our correct choice for this specific economic scenario. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given info and check your steps carefully.